Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan Comfortline R-Line. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, backup camera, a nice little roof spoiler with roof rails as well. We got black trim along this vehicle with turn light indicated mirrors. We do get a remote start with this vehicle. You got the R-Line symbol right there. And moving to the front, we got front park sensing, license plate bracket, and that nice Volkswagen grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You can collapse your last row by just pulling those levers. Hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. 12 volt, you got a cargo floor mat. More storage underneath with your spare tire. Nice little cargo tunnel cover that just hooks into those hooks right there. And of course, you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior. Rear vents. USB-C with 12 volt. You got a floor mat as well. Carpeted interior. Plenty of door space in the back with leathering on the door. We do get cup holders and arm space. And plenty of leg room. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered mirrors, windows, yep, locks, your lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 97,226 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, voice, toggle-free screen, heated steering wheel, view, you got play-back, play-forward, volume, cruise control, and looking at our main screen here, we do get your vehicle settings, your assist systems, compass, audio, phone, vehicle status, driving data, and all that fun stuff. Over here we got our gear select, and it just tells you what gear you're on the shift itself, with your engine start-stop, parking brake, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, park sensing, cup holders, and storage. And you do get your storage underneath as well. Storage here with USB-C's, 12 volt, dual climate up front with heated front seats, and it is kind of all touchscreen, so you can slide it back and forth, as well as on the temperature side, hazards, and your infotainment system. Storage below, or above, sorry, and below in your usual spots. We do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. SOS, maintenance, information, and looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. You got your media as well. We're going to go into radio. It looks like this, pretty easy to navigate. Media again. Your phone, where you can see has been previously connected. Your info call, voice controls, any apps you may download will show up right here. You do get Apple CarPlay capabilities as well, which is pretty handy. Your car settings, so you can see how well your car's faring out. So you got your tire pressure system, all that stuff. It tells you to replace battery key, which is pretty nice, and your menu, telephone, navigation, setups, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE02218C, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.